What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a first impression on the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. I am so excited. I haven't filmed in a hot minute. Life's been crazy, so I just want to dive right into this. I'm going to be doing a look using the green shades because I took a poll on Instagram, and if you aren't following me on Instagram, go follow me right now so that you can choose what type of videos I do. But yeah, so this is the palette. It's pink, Jeffree's favorite, of course. It has the holographic moment where it says Morphe and Jeffree Star. And like I said, haven't filmed in a minute, so I'm a bit crazy today. So this is what it looks like, and then you open it. It comes with a big ass mirror, which I love mirrors in palettes. I used to not care. I do now, especially with filming. But the palette is just gorgeous. I love it. I love the green shades. I love the pink shades, but y'all decided that you wanted a green look, so that's what I'm gonna give you. I personally don't know what type of green look I'm gonna go for yet, so we're just gonna kind of like go in with it and see what happens. All the shade names are on the palette, which is great. Y'all know that I sweat all the time, so I'm gonna be a sweaty mess by the end of this, but that's okay. That's why I'm not wearing any face makeup. So I already put highlighter on though because I'm a bougie ass bitch, but I already put some color corrector on my inner corners because my dark circles are a bitch. So first off, I want to go into the shade Lynn, which is just this flesh tone, well, I guess a sort of pale tone shade, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner along my brow bone and then just kind of blend it downwards. She's pigmented! As for an eyeshadow base, you can really use whatever base you want, or you don't have to go in with a base. I typically don't go in with a base, just because I'm usually just doing a makeup look for like photos and then I take it off. Hello fibromyalgia, you make me fucking unable to do anything. But I still haven't tried the ABH eye primer. This is like a fucking waterfall. Like when you open it, it just like, do y'all see that? It just comes out. Like, it's just like, hi, bitch. And it's like, what is that? Packaging flaw. Okay, we're just gonna take way more than we need. Like, what a waste of money. But I've heard a lot of people have had that issue, so whatever. I typically don't use bases because of my creasy ass lids, but you know what? We're gonna try something new today. We're just gonna like rub this onto my creasy ass lids because why the fuck not, right? Let's... Okay. And then up into the crease. Well, there we fucking go. Hey, that doesn't look that bad, actually. I am gonna dust that same Lynn shade just kind of like... just kind of all over. Just to kind of set it. Wow. Bitch, that looks too good. Okay. ABH, I see you. So, now we have our base. As you can see, that's how much primer was, like, left. I'm just going to script that onto a bowl. Like, get the fuck out of here. I'm going to blend that into my hand, because with my luck, I'd rub it everywhere on my freaking face. Okay. We good, we good, we good. So, I kind of feel like going into the shade Wake and Bake, and I'm just taking that on my JS6 Morphe brush. And I guess I'm just going to put that on the outer corner and blend into the crease. So I'm just taking the brush that we used with the nude shade, and I'm just using that to blend out the edges. We want this to be as seamless as possible. These shades blend out really easily, and they're also pigmented, so I'm pretty impressed. I'm also really impressed with the ABH eye primer. Super nice. I'm going to take that shade Wake and Bake, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I kind of really like this shade, so I kind of want it to be on my lid. Okay, I love the green shade so much. That is such a pretty green. It's like a limeish, swampy green. Think Shrek, but like more lime. I like it a lot. Holy crap, I really like it. Okay, just thought I'd check in and say that I really like it. So now I'm just taking that shade on the same brush and I'm starting to blend it out again. I really love this green shade. Wake and Bake is beautiful. I would honestly buy this palette just for that shade alone. That's how much I love it. Then I'm just taking the JH32 again and I'm going to blend this shade. I'm going to blend along the edges just to make it more seamless. Then I'm taking my favorite JH30 brush. I love using this to super blend the edges of looks. This blends honestly so easy. And I'm just taking that just to further blend. As I said like a million times now, you want this look to be blended. And honestly, like, I may just keep this like a one and done shade on the lid. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I love it that much. But I think I'm going to end up adding a bit of the pukey brown shade too, just to kind of have it come from the outer corner and down. But yeah, so far I'm really loving this green shade. I'm going to say that like a million times, but... Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade, What's the Tea, which is that pukey brown shade. And I am going to take that into the outer corner and just start blending it into the green. Hopefully this turns out okay. I really like that green. See, it's just a very pukey brown. And I'm just going to slowly add this. Just like the tiniest bit. We don't want Shrek to say, "What are you doing in my swamp?" Basically, that's all I want to do for deepening it up. I'm really enjoying this green shade, so I kind of want to keep that as the most important bit on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to start working on my lower lash line. So I'm going to start with the shade Wake and Bake, and I'm just going to drag that along my lower lash line. I'm honestly loving that. Like, I'm loving this as like an almost like one shadow look, like a ton. I'm just gonna go into the shade What's the Tea again, and I'm just gonna put that on the very outer corner of my lower lash line just to add some depth, but you know, not screw up the look I got going on. I'm just dragging that inwards just the tiniest bit, probably about halfway. For my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Welcome, which is just this icy white shimmer shade. And yeah, I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. That's really pretty, actually. For lips, I'm just going to be using the Lime Crime Kick It Wet Cherry Gloss. It's my favorite. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm honestly really obsessed with the look I came out with. It's super simple. It's nothing crazy like most people do, but I just wanted to do something that I enjoyed, and personally, oh, I forgot to put mascara on over here. That's awkward. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm honestly really obsessed with the look I came out with. Obviously, it's really simple. Anyone can do it. I only used 4 shadows out of what, like 30, so I think I did pretty good, a pretty easy look, but I just love how it turned out. And sometimes you don't need to have an extravagant look like most people would do. I just want to do something that I liked. I am wearing the Milk Makeup mascara and the Pat McGrath mascara. That is my favorite combination at the moment. It literally makes me look like I actually have lashes. I just got mail, so I don't know what I was saying. Yeah, no, I love this look. I think it's easy. I think it's simple. I think anyone can do it. It's 4 shades. I mean, I think it's like a super simplistic look, but with that green tone, I love it. I think that this is going to be so good for the fall. The shades that I did use were super pigmented. They blended beautifully. I mean, I have no problems with the shades that I did use. I do plan on doing more looks with this, obviously. I really want to use this like bright ass green shade. Yeah, what do you guys think of this look? I personally really like it. And in the end, that's all that really matters. I think pairing it with a nude gloss is always a good idea because nudes typically won't mess you up, you know? Overall, first impression wise, I really love this palette and I would recommend it. Obviously, I need to try it out a few more times to know 100% what my review is, and I will actually do a review video once I've used it a few times, but first impressions wise, I am obsessed. I think this is worth the money. It's not overly expensive, and I personally like Morphe's quality. I know there's some people who hate Morphe quality, but I've never had any issues. I've typically always liked Morphe palettes. I own quite a few of them. I do love the packaging. I like that it's sleek. I like that it comes with a huge mirror. I like that it comes with a variety of shades. When I first saw it, I was like, this looks boring. And I'm the type of person who likes really bright palettes. But when I saw this, I was like, that's a lot of like nude shades. But I knew that I would get it just for the freaking greens. But seeing it in person, it's even more pretty, and I am glad I got it. I think that I can make some really good looks with this, and I like that it has a mirror. I basically like everything about it. I also like ordering from the Morphe website because it's easy. I mean, they have a Canadian site now, so for us Canadian makeup lovers, it makes it a lot easier on us. But yeah, overall, I really love this look. I do think you could pair it with wing liner if you wanted to go the extra mile, but personally for me, this is good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And it has the holographic moment where it says more for